Welcome to Ani the Commerce Guru channel. This is Mr. Anish Parameshwaran, your own commerce teacher. Dear children, in the last lecture, we have seen the meaning and the purpose of preparing a P&L appropriation account. In this lecture, we are going to see how to prepare a P&L appropriation account with the help of a question. I request you to note down the question in your notebook first, then do certain calculations along with me for a better understanding of appropriation account. Dear children, let's have a question on preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, I'll read the question. Just go through the question, try to understand the question clearly first. Anu, Binu and Sinu were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:4:5. So how many partners are there? We know that 3 partners, Anu, Binu and Sinu. I repeat the first sentence. Anu, Binu and Sinu were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:4:5. So their profit sharing ratio is also given there, 3:4:5. The fixed capitals were Anu rupees 2 lakhs, Binu rupees 2,50,000 and Sinu rupees 3 lakh respectively. So the capitals of partners also given there. The partnership deed provided for the following. Number 1, interest on capital at 6% per annum. Number 2, salary of rupees 15,000 per annum to Sinu. Number 3, interest on partners' drawings will be charged at 12% per annum. So 2 appropriations of profit given there, and interest on partners' drawings also given as per partnership deed. Points once again: interest on capital at 6% per annum, salary of rupees 15,000 per annum to Sinu, and interest on partners' drawing will be charged at 12% per annum. During the year ended 31st March 2019, the firm earned a profit of rupees 1,35,000. Anu withdrew rupees 5,000 on 1st April 2018. Binu withdrew rupees 6,000 on 30 September 2018 and Sinu withdrew rupees 7,500 on 31st December 2018. And you are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019. So this is the question. So students, now we are going to analyze the question and thereby to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. In the question, it's clearly given that there are 3 partners. You could see there Anu, Binu and Sinu are 3 partners of the firm. Their profit sharing ratio is given in the question 3:4:5. 3:4:5. 3 to 4 to 5. You can read this one as is to or to. 3:4:5, or you can read like 3:4:5. It's up to you. So the profit share ratio among the partners also given there, 3:4:5. That means Anu's share will be 3 divided by 12. Binu's share will be 4 divided by 12. And Sinu's share will be 5 divided by 12. 3 by 12, 4 by 12 and 5 by 12. We got this 12 as 3:4:5. So 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Altogether 12 shares. Out of it, 3 belongs to Anu, 4 belongs to Binu and 5 belong to Sinu. I hope profit sharing ratio analysis you got it clear. Good. The next sentence is, the fixed capitals were Anu rupees 2 lakh, Binu 2,50,000 and Sinu rupees 3 lakh. So capitals of partners also given there, 2 lakhs, 2,50,000 and 3 lakhs. Anu 2 lakh, Binu 2,50,000 and Sinu 3 lakh as contribute as their capital to the firm. Then the next sentence, it's given there, the terms of partnership deed. What's given in the partnership deed is given in the next sentence. First point is interest on capital at 6% per annum. So to their fixed capital, they are eligible to get 6% per annum interest on their capital. That's given as the first term in the partnership deed. Then salary of rupees 15,000 per annum. Salary of rupees 15,000 per annum to Sinu. So one of the partners, Sinu, is eligible for salary, that to 15,000. So here you need to take care. Sometimes in the question, salary would be given per month. If it is given per month, then you have to convert it into per annum. Means whatever amount is given, multiply by 12, you will get the salary per annum. So in this question, it's given per annum. So there is no further calculation to find out salary per annum. Again, I'm telling, sometimes in the question, salary would be given as per month. If it is given per month, then you need to convert it into per annum. So you have to, at least you should take a bit of second to see whether the salary to partner is given per month or per annum. If it is given per month, convert it into per annum by multiplying that salary by 12. Hope it is clear. So here salary of Sinu is given per annum. So 15,000 is the salary. Then third point, interest on drawings will be charged at 12% per annum. Interest on drawings also given here. Interest on drawings 12% per annum. 12% per annum. So as per the partnership deed, partners should pay interest on their drawings to firm at 12% per annum. Here also you need to take care for a particular thing. Sometimes in the question, both a rate of interest of drawing and amount of interest on drawing, amount. Say for example, a rate of interest is given 12% and afterwards amount of interest on drawings also given in the question, amount. If amount is also given in the question, then you need to bother about the rate. Just consider the amount that is given in the question. So if amount is not given there, then you have to calculate interest on drawings based on the rate of interest given in the question. So here amount is not given in the question, so we have to calculate interest on drawing at 12% per annum. We have to calculate interest on drawings in this question. Okay. Then it's given there, during the year ended, the firm earned a profit of rupees 1,35,000. So net profit is given in the question. It is 1,35,000. 1,35,000 is the net profit. Again, here also you need to take care of one thing, that is net profit is given in the question, and if there is any charge against profit item, charge against profit item is given in the question or not, that also you need to take care of. Example, manager's commission, interest on partner's loan, etc. If it is given in the question or not, you have to take care about. If it is given, then the profit should be, net profit should be adjusted, means those charge against profit should be deducted from the net profit before it is transferring to the profit and loss appropriation account. I hope it is clear. In this question, there is no such charge against profit is given. So directly we can take this net profit to the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Hope it is clear. Remember students, already we had a lecture on preparation of profit and loss appropriation account in the last lecture. I hope that is very much clear to you people. To make a better understanding, we are going to do a question and see how P&L appropriation account is prepared. Okay. Then it's given that the drawings of partners given in the next sentence. Anu withdrew 5,000 rupees, Binu 6,000 rupees, and Sinu 7,500. So Anu 5,000 rupees, Anu's drawings, Binu's drawings 6,000 rupees, and Sinu's drawings is 7,500. So you need to calculate interest on these drawings 12% per annum. But remember, the date of drawing is also given there. Anu 1st April 2018, Binu 30th September 2018, and Sinu 31st December 2018. So the date of drawing is different. So based on that, when you calculate interest on drawing, you have to adjust the period of drawing to. I think the analysis portion is clear to people, how to analyze the question. So each and every sentence we have gone through and we analyze the things. Now we are going to prepare the P&L appropriation account. As I said in my last lecture, first of P&L appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account. So we begin P&L appropriation with the net profit brought down. Net profit brought down, or net profit is given in this question as 1,35,000. So this net profit we will we get from the P&L account, and that amount we are transferring to P&L appropriation account. So that's our first first step in preparing P&L appropriation account, transferring the net profit from P&L account to credit side of P&L appropriation account. So amount is 1,35,000. So in the amount column we will write 1,35,000. 1,35,000 we will write on the amount column. Then we know that one more thing on the credit side of P&L appropriation account, one more thing is there, that is interest on drawing. Interest on drawing we have to calculate separately. Interest on drawing, first we have to see the amount of drawing. First of all, Anu's amount of drawing is 5,000. 5,000 is the amount withdrawn by Anu for her personal use, and the rate of interest is 12%, and the date of drawing is 1st April 2018 means for the whole, and we are preparing P&L appropriation account for 31st March 2019. 31st March 2019, for the year ended 31st March 2019 it is. So Anu's drawing is on 1st April 2018. So for whole 12 months period we need to calculate the interest on drawing of Anu. So Anu's drawing is 5,000 into a rate of drawing is 12% into period is 12 period out of 12 months. 12 months out of 12 months. So the amount will be, how much would be the amount? I'm giving you a chance to calculate. It will be 12 and 12 will cut off. Then we will get 600. So Anu's interest on drawings is 600. Anu's interest on drawing, it is 600. Same way we need to calculate Binu's interest on drawing. Binu's amount of drawing is 6,000 into a rate of interest on drawing is 12%, and the date of drawing for Binu, it is 30th September 2018, and the year ending is 31st March 2019. So a period of 6 months we could see here, 6 months, for a period of 6 months. So we need to calculate interest for a period of 6 months. 6 months we need to calculate. So Binu's amount of drawing is 6,000 into rate of interest is 12 divided by 100 into period as 6 months out of 12 months. So the amount will be, this will be 1 by 2 it will be. So the amount will be 360. When you calculate this, you will get 360. So Binu's interest on drawings also we got, that is 360. Then we have to calculate the interest on drawing of Sinu. Interest on drawings of Sinu. Sinu's amount of drawing as per the question, it is 7,500 into a rate of interest is 12% into period. Sinu drew the amount on 31st December 2018 and our year ending is 31st March 2019. So a period of 31st December means almost December is over. So we have to account from January 2019, January, February and March. So a period of 3 months. 3 months interest we need to calculate. 3 months interest for 3 months we need to calculate. So once again, Sinu's amount of drawing is 7,500 into rate of interest is 12% into period 3 months out of 12 months. So the answer would be, when you solve this one, you will get the answer as 225. So Sinu's interest on drawings also we have calculated, that is 225. So Sinu's interest on drawing 225. I hope this much calculation is clear to you. So first we will write net profit. We will search net profit from the question. So it's given here. We have to take care whether charge against profit items are given or not. If it is given, that should be deducted from net profit before it is transferring to the appropriation account. So net profit we need to transfer to the credit. Then interest on drawings, if it is given in the question, whether it is given in the question or not, we have to see. So it's given in the question. Then based on that, we need to calculate the interest on drawings of partners. We have calculated here the interest on drawings of all three partners. They are 600, 360 and 225 respectively, interest on drawings. That's also over. Hope this much is clear. Means the credit side portion, I hope you got it clear. Now, dear students, the credit side items is already over. Net profit brought down and interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, here it is. Anu 600, Binu 360, Sinu 225. Altogether it will be 1185. So that's already discussed. Now we are moving on to the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Debit side. First appropriation is interest on capital. Interest on capital of Anu, Binu and Sinu we need to calculate. Interest on capital. So we have to see what is the capital of Anu, what is the capital of Binu and capital of Sinu. We have to see first. Anu's capital is 2 lakh, Binu's capital is 2,50,000 and Sinu's capital is 3 lakh. I repeat, Anu's capital is rupees 2 lakh, Binu's capital is 2,50,000. Sinu's capital is rupees 3 lakhs. And rate of interest is given in the question. Rate of interest on capital is 6% per annum. 6% per annum. That's also given in the question. Now we have to calculate interest on capital of each partner. Interest on their respective capitals. First we will calculate for Anu. Anu's capital is rupees 2 lakh. Into a rate of interest on capital is 6%. Now we need to see the period. This capital remained in the business from 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019. So the period is 12 months. For all three partners, the period is 12 months. So there is no need for us to write here 12 divided by 12 because 12 by 12 is 1, that you all know. So there is no need to write it repeatedly. So once again, let's see. Anu's capital is 2 lakh into rate of interest is 6%. So interest on capital for 1 year is equal to 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees. So Anu's interest on capital we got as 12,000 rupees. It's already over Anu's. Then same way we need to calculate the interest on capital of Binu. Binu's capital is rupees 2,50,000. Rate of interest is 6%. Period for 12 months. So no need to write 12 divided by 12. So the interest on capital would be 15,000. 15,000 for Binu. That's also over. Then for Sinu, Sinu's capital is rupees 3 lakh. So Sinu's capital 3 lakhs into a rate of interest is 6% for a period of 12 months. So the amount will be 18,000. 18,000. So all three partners interest on capital we got as 12,000 for Anu, 15,000 for Binu and 18,000 for Sinu. So interest on capital is over. We will write that interest on capital here as 12, 15 and 18 and total we will write here 45,000. This is what you need to do. Then one more appropriation as per the partnership deed, that is salary of rupees 15,000 per annum to Sinu. Sinu's salary is there. So we will write here Sinu's salary. If salary for Binu, then we will write here Binu's salary. We have to write like that. Commission, if commission is there, we should write Binu's commission. Anu's commission, we should write on the debit side. Hope it is clear. So here salary, Sinu's salary is given there. So we wrote here Sinu's salary on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, because salary is an appropriation of profit. It is given there 15,000 per annum. As I said before, we have to be very careful whether salary is given per month or per annum. If it is given per month, you have to convert it into per annum by multiplying it by 12. In this question, it is given per annum, so there is no further calculation for salary. Salary is 15,000 directly given there, so you have to write here 15,000. Sinu salary 15,000 in the amount column. I hope it is clear. My dear students, now 80% of our appropriation account is over. Let's see once again what all things we have done. First, we have brought down the net profit. Then we have credited interest on drawings of partners to the P&L appropriation account. Then on the debit side, we have calculated interest on capital and debited to the P&L appropriation account. Then we have seen salary as an appropriation, that also we debited. Then we have to go through the questions whether commission is given or not. Already we analyzed the question and we have seen that there is no such commission, there is no reserves given in the question. So only these two appropriation of profit, that's interest on capital and salary. That means credit side, two items we have recorded. We recorded the appropriation as per the question. Now it's time for us to balance the account. So we have a net profit of 1,35,000 and interest on drawings of 1,185. So a total of 1,36,185 rupees we have as profit to distribute among the partners. From this profit, 45,000 we have appropriated for interest on capital and 15,000 we have appropriated for salary to Sinu. Now the balance we need to calculate. The balance you could see here, the balance would be 76,185. The balance is 76,000. The balance profit is 76,185. This amount is called as, this profit is called as divisible profit. Divisible profit. Divisible profit means after all appropriation, this is the left out profit which need to be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. If ratio is not given there, divisible profit should be distributed equally among the partners. So here in the question ratio, we know that already ratio is given in the question, 3:4:5 is the profit sharing ratio. So this divisible profit we have to distribute among partners in this particular profit sharing ratio. So that's also done here. How we need to distribute the profit? Divisible profit as 76,185 is the divisible profit. Divisible profit belong to all three partners. Out of this, Anu's share would be 3 divided by 12. It comes to rupees 19,000. 19,046.25 it is, 0.25 it comes. Since it is it comes as decimal and after decimal place it's 2, so we can ignore this decimal portion. So we wrote it here as the portion of Anu's profit as 19,046 rupees. 19,046 rupees. Then same way we have to calculate the share of profit, divisible profit. Divisible profit is 76,185. From this, Binu will get his share, that is 4/12. When we calculate, we get an amount equal to 25,395. 25,395. That's written here and it is transferred to Binu's current account. 25,395. 25,395. So Binu's share also we have calculated. Then we have to calculate Sinu's share. The divisible profit is 76,185 into Sinu's share is 5 divided by 12. So it comes something around to 31,743.75 it is. This amount also coming in decimals, 31,743.75. Since after decimal it comes 7, which is more than 5, so we can ignore this portion and add 1 to it, so it comes to 31,744. 31,744 it comes. 31,744 is the portion of Sinu's profit. Sinu's profit. So 3 partners, we divided the divisible profit among them. The divisible profit was 76,185. We divided, and the profit transferred to Anu's current account is 19,046 rupees. Profit transferred to Binu's current account is 25,395, and profit transferred to Sinu's current account is 31,744. And this way you have to complete your appropriation account. Now a homework question for you people. You try to solve this question by yourself. Already I have explained you what is the meaning of profit and loss appropriation, shown you how to analyze a question, then I have shown you how to prepare P&L appropriation account. Now you have to prepare a P&L appropriation based on the question given here. I will read the question, just go through the question once. Let's see. Vinod and Kumar are partners. So here only 2 partners are given there. Vinod and Kumar are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So profit sharing ratio is also given there, 3:2. The partnership deed provided that Vinod was to be paid a salary of rupees 5,000 per month. 5,000 per month is given here, so you need to convert it into per annum. And Kumar was to get a commission of rupees 20,000 per year. So a commission is also given in this question, that also need to be debited to P&L appropriation account. Then interest on capital was to be allowed at 5% per annum. Interest on capital is also given, and interest on drawing was to be charged at 6% per annum. So interest on capital, interest on drawings, both are given in the question. Salary is given there, commission is also given there. Then interest on Vinod's drawing was rupees 2,500 and on Kumar's drawing rupees 850. So here interest on drawing, rate of interest also given in the question, and amount is also given. So I said if rate and amount both are given in the question, then you just mind the amount only. Amount you can directly, there is no need for you to calculate interest on drawings further. Then capital of the partners were rupees 4 lakhs and rupees 3 lakhs respectively. and were fixed. So these are the fixed capitals of partners, rupees 4 lakh and rupees 3 lakhs. The firm earned a profit of rupees 1,81,150. So the net profit of the business as per P&L account is given in the question, 1,81,150 for the year ended 31st March 2019. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account of the firm. So here also there is no charge against profit item is given in the question. So profit directly you can transfer to the credit side of P&L appropriation account. I hope the question is very much clear to you people, and I think you can very much do a P&L appropriation account based on this question.